Mm-hmm.
All right. Next zip code we're going to move to is 38122, BERCLAIR. Give it up for the CrestCore office here in 38122. That's a Fairmont. That's a fairly typical home that we see in 38122. You do have a mixture of siding and brick homes in 38122. 38122 is also the only area I will personally buy a 2-bedroom home.
Okay.
I have several over there. In 2023, we had 38 sales. 1,496 was the average square feet and 159,813. 2024 of July, we had 46 sales, 1,200 square feet, 142,000. So we dipped in square feet and dipped in price. Not surprising to me with our interest rates higher, fewer sales, or actually more sales, a little bit lower price point. I have the most homes that I own in 38122. I believe same for you. Strong Hispanic community, very high pride of community and ownership, and I guess just if you don't own and you rent, just your community. But Hispanic grocery stores, and it's really accommodating for the community. I enjoy going over there. They just shut Jerry's snow cones down, but I've been going over there for years to get the snow cones with the kids. So 38122 BERCLAIR. I'm all for it. Anything you can find there that makes sense, I would buy. I'd still buy it today. Talk about those tenants.
I think the only another thing I would mention, which you had said about Raleigh specifically, and maybe somewhere else, was Chick-fil-A recently moved in, Starbucks recently moved in, Chipotle recently moved in, Planet Fitness. I mean, so
just literally a block and a half. All those you mentioned are a block and a half.
Yeah,
Chick-fil-A, Starbucks is right down there. Chipotle. What else have they put? That Planet Fitness.
I mean, all just in this, again, telling you about the tenants and the people who live in this neighborhood. There are 25,000 people making $45,000, which is about a $1,200 rental. About what we see. 9,000 parcels built 1949.
Yep.
And that pencils out to those were 1949 were 1,250 square feet, 3 ones.
Yeah.
So
pretty typical.
Pretty typical what you see. Probably that one on Fairmont might be a little smaller than 1,250, but that's pretty typical what you see over there.
Yeah, really enjoy BERCLAIR. Anything you can find over there. We send a lot of houses out in BERCLAIR. They have a duplex presence in BERCLAIR too that you can find. So love BERCLAIR.